Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna have my mermaid moment and it's gonna be amazing and I'm gonna be just like, I don't even know, through the moon. I'll probably cry, I'm a crier. I'm sorry, I probably will cry.
By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Basically, I was like, okay, like this is my chance. You know, being a young mom, budget's always tight, right? You know, the last person you spend any money on is gonna be yourself. And then I just about died when you guys messaged me back. I was so excited. I just feel like grateful like, to be here, to take a day for me for once. Thank God. I need it, so I'm excited.
You felt like it shed.
Oh yeah.
Do you feel like it?
I've always had that thick hair. When you get the 4-month postpartum shed and your hair is just coming out in clumps, you're not feeling your best for sure. So for me, I was kind of going through that. So I went through a little bit of a hair coloring change as well. I just needed something, you know, to give me that boost of confidence. That's me from Googling it, being like, is my hair falling out forever? Like, what is happening?
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
The clips on the Luxys are so strong. Most of the time, I think you don't need to tease it, and they clip really, really snug to the roots, which is awesome.
I have done just about everything that they tell you not to do to your hair under the sun. I've dyed it myself, I've bleached it myself, I've been dark brown, I've been blonde the next month. 14-year-old, oh, this is a really good idea. No, it's not. It still feels so light, it feels great. I'm like so excited to see it.
Yeah, I think the colors are coming together really, really well.
I think the only thing that I've ever actually spent time on myself is my hair, just because I, for some reason, think I can do it, but that's not the case usually. So for me, that's one of the pieces that comes for me for confidence. So when it comes to hair, when my hair is really off, which it has been, that piece of confidence kind of gets lost. 2, 1. Oh my God, stop, that's not me. That's so cute, I love it, I love it, I love it. Wow, holy, guys. Never in my life. I feel like a Victoria's Secret model, holy.
Yeah, it looks amazing, eh? Oh, it feels nice.